preparing today, we're looking at mathematics for grade 9 exam preparation. Mathematics has two sections, section A with multiple choices and section B where a student is supposed to calculate and show how he or she calculated. So let's start from section A, which contains 20 marks. What is this number written in words? So when you are given this number and you divide it, the number has been divided 3 from the left side or from the right side, you can see this number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 500 million, 400,085. So that is the answer you are going to look at here. 500,485. 500,000. Now you remove this. 500,400,085. 500,400,008. So here 500,400,000, as that one is wrong. It should be 400,000. 500,040,000, remove that. So the correct answer is this one. 500,400,085. 085. And that is it. We want to talk about the place value. What is the place value of digit 4 in this number? So this number is 72.54836. The place value of 4 here, you start from the decimal point here. This is tenths. This is 100. Hundreds. So the place value here is 100. The place value of that number. What is the next number in the sequence? Next number. So we have 2 to a quarter. So we will find the difference. 2, 1/4, and the next number is 2/2. Because this one and this one are the same, I will consider the decimal, the fraction. So this is the next number. If I want to see the difference from here up to here, what is the difference? So I will say 1/2 minus 1/4. LCM is 4. That is 4 goes here 2 times. 2 times 1, 2, minus here goes 1. So 1/4. So from here up to here is 1/4. The next number is 2, 3/4. I will again check from here up to here what is the number here. I will check. So because this is 2 and this is 2, I will ignore the 2 and deal with the fraction. So it is 3/4 minus 1/2, and then see whether the fraction is 1/4 is a constant. The LCM here is 4. 4 goes here 1, that is 3, minus 4 goes here 2. So it is 1/4. So it means the trend was they were adding a quarter as they went forward. Therefore, the next number here is 3. If this is 3, then the next number will be 3, 1/4. 3/1/4. The laboratory technician measured the mass of a substance as 2.628 grams. 2.628. Round off the mass of the substance to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So from this decimal place, count 2 decimal places. So we have 1, 2. Now when you reach here, look at the number that is in front of to where you have stopped the 2 decimal places. If the number is more than 5, then it is going to increase this number by 1. If it is less, it will not, because 8 is more than 5, so it will increase this number by 1. So the number is 2.63 grams to 2 decimal places. Which of the following represents an expression of 12 points in 3 significant figures? 3 significant figures. 12.3258. So significant figures, we start from, unlike decimals where we start from the decimal point, for significant figure we start from the left here on the left side. This is left and this is right. So we start looking for significant figure from left to right. So we count. Here we have been told 3 significant figures, so we will start by counting from here. 1, 2, 3 significant figure. So these are the 3 significant figure. So when I reach here, I will check if the number in front of these 3 is more than 5. If it is more than 5, it will increase this number by 1. If it is not, like now it is not, it will increase. Therefore, to 3 significant figure, this number is 12, that is 12.3, and that is all. This is 3 significant figure. A self-group invested shilling this in a cooperative society. What is the amount invested in standard form? That is simply reminding us how to write numbers in standard form. A number is written in standard form if it is between numbers 1, 2. So a number must be in standard form if it is written as 10 point, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point, 7 point, 8 point, and 9 point. So if the number is not between 1 to 9 point, that number is not in standard form. Therefore, you must ensure you have written this number in standard form. So this number is 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 1, 200. We want to write this number in. So our decimal point, we are looking for a number between 1 and 9. So we are here. So what do we do here? We move to the left. From this decimal, we move 1, 2, 3, 4. We have not gotten the number between 1 and 9. So 4, 5, 6. It is up to this point now we have the number 4. So now it is 4.5, 2, 1, 2 times 10 raised to power. How many steps do we move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one gives you the power. When you move to the left of the decimal point, left, this direction to the left, the decimal point is positive. Sorry, the power is positive. The power is positive. When it's suppose we had 0.000456, we will look, the decimal point is here. We will be looking for the number between 1 and 9 to the right. So we will look it at 1, we will look 2, 3, and get it here. So we will have 4.56 times 10. What will be the power? How many times, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it is 4. Now, is it positive or negative? When you move to the right, looking for that number, this direction, that is to the right, the power is negative. So this one will be negative 4. From the decimal point to the right, we're looking for the number between 1 and 9 for it to write it in standard form. Therefore, the correct answer here is B. The area of a square roll of a fabric is this. Using a mathematical table, find the length of one side of the fabric. So number 7, the area of a square roll of a fabric is 18.27 meters square. Using a mathematical table, find the length of one side of a fabric. Area of a square is equal length times length, and this one gives us 18.27 meters square. So to get L, you get the square root of the area. Right? So using a mathematical table, you will get that the square root of 18 is 4.2742. Eight men working at the same rate can complete a job in 10 days, 20 days. How many more men working at the same rate can complete the same job in 12 days? Now we have men, we have working job days. So we have 18 men working at the same rate to complete a job in 20 days. How many more men working at the same rate will complete the same job in 12 days? So the question is on men. How many men do we need? If you now here you ask yourself, if 18 men can do that work in 20 days, for these men to do the work in 12 days, are they supposed to be more or less? Definitely, if they have to do the work for 12 days, then these men must be more than 18. They must be more than 18 to do the work in less days, right? Therefore, we need now to increase the number of men by this ratio. So to increase this 18, so it is 20 over 12. When you increase a number, you will make sure that the denominator is small. So I am increasing this 18 by this ratio. I want the numerator equal kubwa and the denominator equal small, times 18. So here 3 or 6 here 2, 6 here 3, 2, 1, 2, 10. So definitely this is correct. They will need that men, because now that men will do this work in 12 days. Number of men must be more for them to do work in 12 days. But the question asks, how many more how many more men. So if now we have 30 and initially they were 18, so we will have 12 more men. 12 more men. 12 more men are required. Number 9. Given that A is equal to B is equal to 3, let's evaluate this. So this is 12. A, which is 2, minus 3B, which is 3, divided by Y, which is 5. This is the same as 24 minus 9 divided by 5. 24 minus 9, that is minus 4, that is 15, divided by 5. And the answer is 3. The answer is 3. Number 10. Amina had X fruits. She gave out 18 fruits, and the ones that remained were less than 9. Write an equation to represent the information. So Amina had 18. So if we had X or fruits, she gave out 18. When you give something, you subtract from the original. So she gave out 18. So that's what remained. And whatever remained is less than 9. So this one is less than 9. X minus 18 is less than 9. And that D is our correct answer. Number 11. Jane had Y pencils. The pencils were greater than 4 but less than 9. Which compound inequality below represents the information? Jane had Y pencils. Yes, the pencils were greater than 4 but less than. So that means Y is greater than 4 and but less than 9. But less than 9. The pencils were greater than 4 but less than 9. So meaning Y is less than 9. So we need to combine this one. So we will say this one is the same as 4 is less Y, and this one can also be the same as 9 is greater than Y, right? Now we want to combine these two. We start by the smaller number. So we will say 4 is less than Y, and Y is less than 9. And our answer is A. Kiprono cycled from home to stadium, a distance of 15 kilometers. He started this journey at 7:03 20 a.m. and arrived 8 a.m. What is the speed in meters per second? Speed in meters per second. So let's get the distance is equal to 15 kilometers. Because the distance is in meters per second, therefore we can change this one into times 1,000. We convert that into meters per second. And that one will be 15,000 meters. Time. So he started at 8:20 and arrived at 7:20, arrived at 8, means he spent 40 minutes. So 40 minutes, you convert this 40 minutes to seconds by multiplying by 60. So we will have 2400 seconds. So speed is equal to distance over time. And that is 15,000 divided by 24. You can simplify. And that one is 6.25 meters per second. Meters per second. What is the length of the diameter of a semicircle? Whose area is this? What is the length of the diameter of a semicircle whose area is 35.5? So this is a semicircle. And the area of the semicircle is 39.25. We know the area of a semicircle is a half pi r square. Now a half times pi, which is 22/7, times r square. The answer should be 39.25. So we can simplify here and simplify 11. So we will have 11/7 r, 11/7 r square is equal to 39.25. Now you remove the denominator 7 here by you multiply both sides by 7. Or you can remove this 11/7 by the reciprocal, multiply both sides by the reciprocal, that is 7/11 times 7/11. So that leaves us with r squared over 11. Now r squared is equal to, now you can simplify that. This one will give us 24. Point 24.25 find the square root of that. The square root, the radius is equal to 5. So the diameter is radius times 2, which is 10. Having deposited that 320,000 in a savings account for 2 years, the bank paid a simple interest of the rate of 10 per annum. What is the total interest paid by the bank at the end? Total interest in 2 years. We know that interest is equal to principal times rate times time divided by 100. So the principal was 320 times rate, which is 10 over 100, times time, which is 2 years. So interest will be 64, 1, 2, 3, will be 64,000. Having deposited this in a savings account, the bank paid simple interest at the rate of 10 per annum. What was the total interest paid by the bank at the end of the 2 years? Principal times 10. Must bought a washing machine at 36,400. The value of the washing machine depreciated at the rate of 20% every year. What was the value of the washing machine after 2 years? So amount is equal to principal, because now it is depreciating, we will have 1 minus r over 100 raised to power n. So the mass bought a machine this one, the value was machine depreciated at a rate of 20 every year. So it means that principal, which is 36,400, open back to 1 minus the rate is 20 over 100. How many years were there? Every year. What was the value of washing machine after 2 years? N is the number of years. So this one would be 36.400 times 20 divided by 0.8 raised to power 2. So this one will be 36,400 times 0.64. And the answer is 23,296. That is the amount. You would have depreciated it to this amount in 2 years. Depreciate, it loses the value. Depreciate means it loses value. Something like a radio or phone, when you buy, it depreciates. But when you buy something like a shamba, it appreciates. The value increases over the time. Work out the length of MN. Length of MN. That one is simple. We have the angle, the length, arc length is equal to theta over 360 2 pi r. So our theta is 120 over 360 times 2 times pi 22 over 7 times r, and our radius is 21. 0, 0, 6, 2, 6, 6, 3, 2, 3, 7, 7, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 11. And we have 11 times 4. 11 times 4, that is 44 centimeters. So the length MN is 44. What is the surface area of an open cuboid with measurement to this open cuboid? So it is open. The cuboid is drawn like this. So it is open, it means up here it is open. We are not going to calculate surface, but we will calculate this surface and the other one and the other side. So we calculate this, the bottom only, and this side, and if the cuboid is 12, measuring cuboid measuring 12 meter long, 12 meter long, 5, and height is 3. So that one is simple. We will calculate. This height here is 3 also. This is 3. This is 12. This is 5. This is 5. This is 12, this is 12. So we can calculate this face first, this one, that is 12 times 3, then times 2, because this and the other face, we get the answer. We can calculate this face here, this, which is 5 times 3 times the other on the other side, 2. Now we have calculated this and that, this and that. Now we weigh the bottom one. The bottom is 12 times 5 only, because we will not multiply times 2. So this is 36, 72. This is 15, 30. This is 60. 90 plus 72. 162 centimeters square. The answer is 162 centimeters square. A piece of wood is in the shape of a regular polygon. Each exterior angle is 120. Each exterior angle is 120. What is the name of the polygon? So first let's get the number of sides. Number of sides, which is equal n, will be equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. Now 360 divided by 120, we have 3. Right? So this 3, a piece of wood is the shape of a regular polygon. So a triangle is a polygon. I think there was some mistake there. But now the number of sides is 3. Then because a polygon is a figure, a geometrical figure which has more than 5 sides. It is 5 and above. If it is 4 sides, we call it a quadrilateral. So if it is 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. So there is no way a triangle can be a polygon. That's why I'm saying that maybe the error was here. But for now, that's how you can calculate it. The number of sides is 360 divided by exterior angle. Because we have been given exterior angle is 120. Maybe they gave this exterior angle to be very big. So for this one, we will have 3. So 3 is a triangle. 3 is a triangle. But if the exterior angle was something like 30 degrees, then it is 360 over 30, and that one would be 12, or let me say 60. 6. So 6-sided figure is called hexagon. If it is 5, we call it a pentagon. If n is equal to 5, it is called a pentagon. N is equal to 6, hexagon, like that. The scale of our map is 1 represents 20 meters. The actual length of the pavement is 200. What is the scale length of the pavement? So if 1 centimeter represents 20 meters, 200 meters will represent how many centimeters? It is 20 times 1 divided by 200 divided by 20. It will be 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters represent 200 meters on the actual ground. The age of in years of 11 students, 11 people was recorded as this. What is the model age of the people? Model, you look at the number that is repeating itself several times, many times. The number that it repeats itself. So we can look at this one, 26. We can arrange the data in ascending order first. So the smallest data there is 25. So we arrange 25. We have 25. We don't have another 25. We have 26. 26 is this. Another 26. Another 26. We have another 26. No. Now we go to 27. 27. 27. 27. No. We go next to 28. And then another 28. And another 28 here. And then finally 29. So look at these numbers. Which one is repeating itself more than the others? You can see 26 in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 26 is 4. 28, there are only 3. Therefore, the mod is 26. The mod of it is 26. The one that repeats itself more than the others. Section B, 80 marks. Using a number line, perform the following operation. So this is a number line. The line has been drawn for us. So we'll start. That is 8, positive 8 minus 3. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are here at positive 8. When you subtract, you move to the left. So we are going to move to the left 8 steps. From here we move 1, 2, 3. Meaning that 8, positive 8 minus that, the answer is positive 5. Negative 7, negative 3 plus this 5. So first, we will start here at negative 10, negative 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we are at negative 7. Minus means you move to the left. So you move to the left 3 steps. That is 1, 2, 3. We reach at negative 10. Then from negative 10, we move to the right 6 steps. Positive 6 means you move to the right. So from here now, from 10, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Positive, right? Now, we have reached at negative 4. Therefore, the answer here is negative 4. Evaluate, arrange the data, arrange the following fractions. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Descending means from big to small. So to get the big, look at the LCM. Let us get the LCM. The number which divides all of this number, you can use 8. 8 divides all of this number. So we can use 8 as LCM. So we say 2 over 5 times 80. And that one gives us, this was here once, 1, remain, that is 16. So this is 32. 16 times 2 is 32. The other one is 3 over 5 times 80, our LCM. So here once, and this is 16. And that is 48. Then the other one is 3 over 40 times 80. 40 once, here twice. So that is 6. And then lastly, 7 over 20 times 80. This once, here 4. And that is 28. Now you can see the biggest number here is 48. This is number 1, followed by number 2, followed by number 3, followed the last one is this number 4. Now we need to arrange this data in descending from biggest to small. So biggest in 48. So we start by this fraction, which is 3 over 5. So the answer will be 3 over 5, comma. The second one, the second biggest is this one, that is 2 over 5, comma. The third one is this, that is 7 over 20. And then lastly, the smallest is 3 over 40. 3 over 40. So that is now you have arranged them in descending order. Descending order from big to small. Big to small. Evaluate this. Here we are going to use body mass. We are going to use body mass. We start with brackets, no brackets, off, no. We start with division, no division, multiplication. We are going to multiply, so here and here first. 1 over 12 times, let's convert this in mixed fraction into improper. 1 times 6, 6, that is 7 over 6. Now, is there a number which divides 10 of this? There is no number, therefore we multiply, that is 7 over 72. 7 over 72. 12 times 6 is 72. Now we rearrange the number, we can change this into improper. This is 30, 31. 31 over 6 minus the answer, which is 7 over 72 plus 5 over 6. Now we can, this is positive and this is positive, we can add this. We can do this one in 2 ways. Because this one is positive and this one is positive, we can add them and then subtract this. So 31 over 6 plus 5 over 6. LCM is 6. That is 31 plus 5. So we will have 36 over 6. Now 36 over 6. Then now we subtract minus 7 over 72. LCM is 72. 72 goes 12. 12 times 36. 6 goes to 72. 12 times. 12 times 36. 432 minus 7. So the answer is 45. 425 divided by 72. And the answer is 5. The final answer is 5. This is 65 over 72. Number 24. The length of a rope is 3.1112 meters recurring. Convert the length from the rope into fraction. So 3.222. So let R is equal to 3.12, the recurring number. Then 10R will be equal to 3.1.222. You continue until you find the number where after the decimal point the number is the same. After the decimal point you have the same numbers. Like now from the decimal point is 1, 2, and the decimal point is to 1. They are not the same. We continue. Next is 100R. Is equal to 100R. We remove this to this side, so we have 312.12.12. Now you can see that this one, this, and this are the same after the decimal point. So we are going now to use this and this one. So now we will use this to subtract. We will say 100R minus this one R is equal to 3.1212. So after the decimal point is going to be 0, because we were looking for a way to eliminate the decimal point, which is now we have done that. Now 312 minus 3, it is 309, is equal to 100 R minus R, it is equal to 99 R. Now we have 99 R is equal to 309. We divide by 99 by 99. So R, our fraction, will be equal to 3, 4 over 33. And that is the fraction. Grade 9 learners who are doing the lesson on the squares of decimal numbers using tables. Determine how they wrote the standard form. This decision, the bus fare increased by 20%. What will be the new bus fare between two terms whose original fare was 800? So 100% is equal to 800 shillings. So when the fare has increased, so it will increase to 120%. So that is 120 times 800 divided by 100. So it will be 96 shillings 900 rand. Yes, madam. A farmer shared His harvest, a man leaves 2 children. One child received 2 over 5 of the harvest, and the other received 5 over 6 of the remainder. The farmer remained with 8 bags. How many bags did the farmer have before sharing? So one child got 2 over 3, and the other got, so let's get the remainder. Remainder is 1 over 3. So another cell got 5 over 6 times the remainder of the remainder. So the other child got 5 over 18. 5 over 18 is what the other child got. So let's add and see what remained. So 2 over 3 plus 5 over 18. This is what the children are taken. 18 because here 6 times 2, 12 plus 5. So this is 17 over 18. So what is remaining for the parents is 1 over 18. And this 1 over 18 is equal to 8 bags. So we ask 18 over 18 will be how many? So this one is 18. 18 over 18 is 1 times 8 times the reciprocal. 18 over 1. So there it is 18 times 8. That is 64. It is 124. So the bags were 124 initially. Before sharing, they were 144, not 144. They were 144 before sharing. 18 times 8 is 144. Wafula is 5 times as old as his son. By letting his son's age be required, write an expression for the sum of the ages. Wafula is 5 times as old as his son. By letting his son's age, so if the son's age is y, then Wafula is 5 times. So Wafula will be 5 y. Hakuna jo? Napenda tu kudisturbance. So maji, hakuna maji kabisa hivi. So the sum will be y plus 5y, and that one will be 6y. Work out the sum of their ages if the son's age is 8 years. So if the son is 8 years, if y is equal 8, then times 5. So the father will be 40 years, and the son will be 8 years. You add, because it is the son, and the total of their age will be 48 years. The total will be 48 years. Use substitution to solve this there. So we have been asked you to use substitution. So let me make y the subject of the formula. So So we say negative y, then I take this one to this side, it will be equal to 5 minus 2x. Now I want to remove this negative by dividing everything by negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1. So y will be equal to minus 5 plus 2x. This one will be the same as 2x minus 5 is the same. Therefore now I will take this expression and substitute on the first equation. So whenever I see y in the first equation, I will substitute with this because this is my y. Now 3x plus y, and y is 2x minus 5 is equal to 15. Now I will solve this. 2x plus dx will be 5x minus 5 is equal to 15. Now like times together, bring this to this side, it will be positive. 5x is equal to 20. When this 5 crosses the equal sign, we will add the 5, and that is 20. 25, 5, 25, 5, and the x is equal to 4. Now from there, we substitute for y. So y is equal to 2x, but x is equal to 4 minus 5. So y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 3. And with that one, you are done. The cost of 5 books and 4 geometrical sets is this. Susan brought the 2 books, and the geometrical sets are find the cost of each item. So let books, so 4b books plus, or the cost of 5 books is 5 books the cost of 5 books, so 5b plus 4 geometrical sets for G geometrical set will cost 2300. Susan bought 2 of these books, 2b, and 2 sets, 2g, of the individual set for shilling 1000. Find the cost. Now here, you can use elimination or elimination. Let me eliminate for G, or let me eliminate B. You can eliminate any of your choice. So I will eliminate B. To eliminate B, you multiply you interchange these values. So I will multiply here 5 and this 2 here because I want to eliminate. Now this will be 10b plus 80g is equal to 4600. This time this will be 10b plus 10g is equal to 5000. So to eliminate, you subtract 10b minus 10b is 0. So 3g plus 10 will have 2g negative is equal to negative 400. Negative 400. Now you divide by negative 2 to get the g. Divide by negative 2 to get the g. Negative divided by negative is positive, and therefore one geometrical set was Kenya shillings 200. Now to get your book, you can substitute here 2b plus 2 times 200 the answer is 1000. 2b plus 400 equal to 1000. 2b is equal to 1000 minus 400. 2b is equal to 600 and b is equal to 300. So one book was 300 shillings, one set was 200 shillings. Steven, the third is sheep using a rope, 7 meter. Calculate the maximum grazing area of the sheep, the maximum area. So 7 is the length, that is the radius, and it's going to form a circle. Therefore, it's like we are calculating the area of a circle. Because if you tie a sheep here, and this is the rope, which is 7 meters, then the sheep will be, this is the sheep. So the sheep will be grazing this way. So it will form a circle, the radius is 7. So area will be equal to pi r square. 3 over 7 times 7 square. And that is 154 meters square. We cover 154 meters square. Oh, I skipped. Oh, number 32. I skipped this one. A 3 meter high wall has a ladder inclined on it. If the ladder is placed 4 meters away from the foot, what is the length of the ladder? So if this is the wall and this is the ladder, so this is this is 3 meters, and the distance away is 4. So remember it forms 90 degrees. Therefore, to get this one, use Pythagorean theorem. That is 3 square plus 4 square will be equal to c square. 9 plus 16 will be c square. 25 equal to c square, and c is equal to the square root of 25. So the length of the ladder is equal to 5 meters. 5 meters. A cylindrical container has a diameter of 9.3 centimeters. What is the circumference of the top of the container? Circumference is equal to pi pi d, or 2 pi r. So circumference will be 22 over 7 times diameter, which is 9.1. So this one's here, here goes 1.3. 1.3 times 22 times 28.6 centimeters. 28.6 centimeters, that is the circumference. Number 35. A cylindrical tank has a diameter of 14.4 and a height of 12 meters. Calculate the surface area of the closed tank. If it is closed, then if the tank is closed, then the formula is surface area of a closed cylindrical tank will be 2 pi r squared plus, let's say that plus pi d, plus pi d h, plus pi d h. That is the two circles. This one means, because it is a cylinder, it has the circles and it has this curved surface. So to get this curved surface area, it is pi dh. And then the area of this arc and this circle is this one here. So 2 times 22 over 7 times radius. So the radius will be 7.2 square plus 22 over 7 times the diameter, which is 14.4, times the height, which is 12. You can use now the calculator. 7.2 square times 4. So this one will be 32, 5.85 plus 5, 4, 3.08. So the total surface area will be 86, 8.93 centimeters or meters square. Meters square. It's 68 point. Yes, depends which pi they used. Now we write this number B. Write the above number correct to 4 significant figures. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one cannot be replaced, so we have 86, 8.9 meters square. That is 4 significant figures. The cash price of our cooker was 60,000. They only bought the cooker on a higher This he paid a deposit of that and the balance 12 months. How much did he pay for the cooker? So here purchase price is equal to deposit plus monthly times installment. The deposit was 15,000 plus 12 months, and it is 4,000 per month. This is 15,000 plus 4 times is 48. 1 and 2. So 48. 63,000. So he paid him 63,000. 63,000 on air purchase. How much more than the cash price did he pay? How much more? The cash price was 60,000 and this one is 63,000. So it is 63. $3,000 more. Porcelain deposited 300,000 in a bank for 2 years. The bank paid a compound interest rate of 8 per annum. Calculate the interest he had after the 2 years. Interest. The interest he had. How much more did he have to the bank after 2 years? That is the interest he had after the 2 years. Compound interest. So compound interest amount is equal to principal 1 plus R over 100 power n. So that is 300,000 into 1 plus 8 over 100, and the years is 2. So this one will pass a total of 349,920. So to get interest, you subtract the principal minus 100. So the interest was Kenyan 49,920. That is the interest. How much money did he have at the bank after 2 years? After 2 years, he will have the total amount of that is 34,992 shillings. You have already calculated that, so there's no need of repeating. So for construction, I may not do it now here. So let me go to number 40. The pie chart below, the number of bags was 540. How many bags did he sell? The pie chart given shows the number of bags sold by businessman. The total number of bags sold was 540. How many bags did he sell? How many more black bags than blue bags did he sell? How many bags did he sell? 2 bags. Black bags, blue bags, white bags. Next, and so the bags 20 degrees. So 20 degrees was unsold. Okay, so it means 360 degrees is equal to 540 the total bags. So 340 degrees will be what? Because 20 did not say 20. You can get now that direct. 340 times 140 45 is 60. So we sold 510 bags. How many more black bags than blue? So black is 140. Black 140 over 360 times